Hi, so you've been working on your thing, your blog, your website, your ebook, your online course, your webinar, your podcast, whatever your thing is, you want as many people as possible to see it. So your thing plus blank equals traffic views. The blank is your launch strategy. In order for people to find it, you have to tell people about it. And so my launch strategy was creating a street team. So what is a street team? It's our friends, our family, our coworkers, and most importantly, influencers. We all have a street team. We just need to reach out to them and engage them. A street team is how I was able to generate $5,000 in 15 days from online course sales. So what does this look like? I created what I call a features kit and gave it to each person in my street team. The features kit included information about me, what my offer was, how I could help their audience, and all the materials that they needed to help me promote. So that whether it be copy, images, social posts for Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever, I gave them every single thing that they needed to help me promote my launch. And so that way they didn't have to think about anything. So when the day came and I gave them a schedule and said, please post on this date, all they had to do is hit that publish button. And then what happened? I got tons and tons and tons of eyeballs on my offer and a lot of people who were signing up for my webinar. And so just like that, for free, I was able to get 1,000 leads in 30 days. So what I do want to do is give you some tips for how to best leverage your street team. So one, try to offer them an incentive. So yes, they can do the work for free, but you can also say that, hey, I'm going to give you 30% for any sales that come in under your promotion. This is super important for influencers because they don't tend to do stuff for free. So if you're offering them 30% and you have a high priced offer, then they're looking at a good chunk of change that they're going to be getting. So they'll be more likely to accept your offer. And then for friends and family, just toss them something here and there like, hey, I'll give you 5%. Or if they're friends and family, they probably are going to do it for free. But that comment is more so for influencers. And then lastly, the last tip, just don't make it about yourself. Try to make the street team feel included and a part of the process. Really try to create a community because you don't want them feeling some type of way that like you're using them. So really talk to them. Don't just text them. Talk to them. Really walk them through what your vision is and how they're a part of it and how excited you are for them to be on this journey with you. So that's just one of many strategies that I use to generate massive income for my online course sales. I'll be teaching you all about it in my upcoming masterclass, so be sure to tune in so you can get access to my personal features kit that you can send out to your street team. Hope to see you there.